when it comes to the production cost statement, in a nutshell, is just putting this information, these notes. Can you see there's a column for notes here? So we're going to
Yes,
put
sir.
these notes in the statement, but there's a format that we need to start with. So we must always start with what we call the direct costs.
Okay.
We must always start with the direct costs. And direct costs are just those costs which have got direct. Which one do you think that the direct costs? You can also call them primary costs.
Oh, so it's the ones where we calculated direct material.
Give me the first direct material. That's the first one. Okay. The first one,
Yes.
I'm gonna record direct material costs. Okay.
Okay.
You can write note number 1. Can you see this is the one that we started with? This one is note number 1.
All right.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
And then we take this amount. Can you see this amount that I said you must transfer to work in progress is the one that you take.
Okay.
Any question?
No, sir.
What is the next direct? Remember, I said the direct cost, you can call them primary cost. What is the next one?
The next one is direct labor cost.
Direct labor cost. How much?
That is 138,500.
This one. 138. Perfect. Are you still hearing that sound that you said you are hearing?
No, sir, I'm not. Right now.
Maybe I just arrived. My plane has arrived. Okay. Any question?
No, sir.
No problem so far. Okay. So you must just master this format so that you cannot forget what to look for.
Okay.
Can I move on?
Yes, sir. Okay.
What do you think is the next cost when we calculate manufacturing costs? From our past experience, when we did job costing.
I want to calculate manufacturing costs, but in this case, it's factory overheads.
Perfect. The next thing is, can you see they're just in your in front of you. So you just have to, you've got the information. You are looking for this amount. Can you see now?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
So basically, it's repetition what I'm doing, sir.
In a different way. It's like ledger and account equation is repetition. But you will see it will differ a bit somewhere else. Are we together?
Yes, sir.
Now you add everything.
Everything
and we
is
find the total.
the total is 413 and 150 and 150. So 413150. 413.
413.
413150.
4131.
413150. Yes.
Like this.
Yes, sir.
This is called total manufacturing costs. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So it's like we just took this information. Okay. Now we need to go and find any opening. We're going to add any opening work in progress.
Okay.
We're going to add can I just put it like this? Will you understand? Work in progress.
Yes, sir.
So we're going to look for, let me just write it down, opening work in progress. We need to go to the information because we don't have it here.
Okay. Yes, I saw at the end of information.
So let's see whether from the beginning we've got any work in progress at the beginning.
Yes, work in process. It's 45,000.
Yeah, process. So 45,000. That's the one that I must put here. Very good.
Yes, sir.
Now we let's closing work in process or progress. Do you have any closing here? Work in progress?
Yes, finished products.
No, well, it's saying work in process.
Oh, no, sorry, don't. Maybe in the additional information?
No, look at the information at the end. Do we have any work in progress at the end?
Oh, at the end, yes, it's 62,000. Sorry.
Closing is the same as end. So we're going to take these because it's there, end closing. Can you see now? The same way we took this one. Can you see? This was the beginning. We took it as the opening. We took it. Now closing is this one.
62,000.
You can use the calculator now.
Okay. The amount is 396,150.
150.
Yes.
And this is called cost of finished goods. Can you see?
Yo.
So this is called cost of production of finished goods. For us to produce those goods, this is the cost. And I think normally it makes sense when you open the account. Remember, I told you that these amounts have been transferred to
The working process.
the working process.
Yes.
Is what we did here. Remember, we wrote them here as a total, and that total is the total. This one is 1, 2, 3. Can you see now?
Yes, which is the working process.
We transferred them to the work in progress. That's how we added opening work in progress, and we deducted what? Work in progress. And this is the result. So if you were opening the work in progress, all this 1, 2, 3 will be on the debit side. Can you see now?
Okay,
And
so
then
just give me a moment.
opening will be on the debit side, closing will be on the credit side. The difference will go to finished goods. That's why the last one here, they want finished goods, because you can't calculate finished goods without knowing this. I don't know if it makes sense. In a nutshell,
Okay.
this is a work in progress account. Does that make sense?
Yes, sir.
So this, let me write it down. This is the same as work in process account. Whatever. This statement, this is the work in process, but in a statement way. Can you see now?
Yes, sir.
This will be debited. This will be debited. This will be debited. This will be debited. This will be credited. You balance the account. The difference goes to finished goods. And it's then that you are going to open finished goods. But here they want it in the form of a note, not in the form of what? Of an account. Again, you can open something called finished goods.